January 14, 2022, brilliant morning star Venus is emerging from bright twilight to appear in the eastern sky before sunrise. Mars is visible earlier during twilight. Three bright planets, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury, and the Moon are in the early evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, January 14, 30 minutes before sunrise, Venus is low in the east-southeast. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 7:16 a.m. CST, sunset, 4:44 p.m. CST. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. The brilliant planet Venus is beginning to appear in the east-southeastern sky before sunup. For enthusiastic sky watchers, it appears about 5 degrees above the east-southeast at 30 minutes before sunrise. It is relatively easy to find at this level of twilight. The challenge is to find a cloud-free horizon without obstructions toward the observing direction. In a week it is visible in a darker sky. The planet is rising earlier each morning. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2022, January 14, before sunup, Mars is to the lower left of Antares. 45 minutes before sunrise, Mars is over 10 degrees up in the southeast, 13.4 degrees to the lower left of Antares, the heart of Scorpius. Mars is moving eastward in Ophiuchus. On January 20th, the planet moves into Sagittarius. The stars rise about 4 minutes earlier each morning. This is from Earth's revolution around the Sun. As we move around our central star, the stars appear earlier in the sky each morning. Mars seems to be slowly making its appearance. It is moving eastward and it rises 1 minute earlier every 2 days. It seems to be about the same altitude, height above the horizon, each morning. Venus passes Mars on February 16, for the second of 3 conjunctions, known as a triple conjunction, that began last summer. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, January 14, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury are in the southwestern sky after sunset. At 45 minutes after sunset, bright Jupiter is easy to spot, about 24 degrees above the southwest horizon. It is rambling eastward in front of the dim stars of Aquarius. Jupiter is nearly 20 degrees to the upper left of Saturn. The ringed wonder is heading toward its solar conjunction early next month. It follows Venus into the morning sky. This evening it is over 7 degrees up in the west-southwest, at this hour. After its near conjunction with Saturn, Mercury is about the same brightness as Saturn, and 3.3 degrees to Saturn's lower right. Both easily fit into the same binocular field of view. Mercury is fading in brightness as it recedes into bright evening twilight. It passes between Earth and the Sun on January 22 and quickly moves into the morning sky. Be sure to spot Mercury and Saturn shortly after sunset. Mercury sets about 90 minutes after sunset. Saturn follows about 10 minutes later. Farther eastward, the bright Moon is between the horns of Taurus. All this action results in 5 planets and the Moon in a pre-dawn spectacular during June when all 5 bright planets and the Moon appear before sunrise.